Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. Which chapter is going on, it is already known to you because last video I taught you the last chapter of part 1, that is called BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement. This is the third video of this chapter. The first video I had given full explanations regarding the theoretical part. Second video also I told certain part theoretical as well as the practical parts also. Just what I taught you, I want to remind you. BRS is very easy chapter. Only the few points you have to keep in mind. One, that cash book and passbook, you have to get some idea about the cash book and passbook. Cash book, it is maintained by the businessman or the traders. Passbook, it is maintained by the bank people. One transactions, it is done by the businessman or it may be done by the bank people. It will be recorded by the two different persons in two different books. एक ही ट्रांजैक्शन दो आदमी दो बुक में लिखेगा. बीआरएस में जितना पॉइंट है, how many points are there, you will find out after reading this question. You will find out where it is recorded, where it is not recorded. That means sometimes it may happen that it is recorded in the cash book but not recorded in the passbook, or it may be it is recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. आपको यही ध्यान रखना है, इट इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक व्हिच साइड. सपोज इट इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक डेबिट साइड, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द पासबुक क्रेडिट साइड. तो इट इज नॉट क्रेडिटेड. So some amount it will be debited but not it will be credited, or maybe it is credited but not it will be debited. जो आप नहीं हुआ, that is called BRS. You have to do which is not done. Page number 274 of illustration 3. Page 274 of illustration 3. I want to explain it here. After doing this one, then I will do. Let me do one or two illustrations so that answer it is already given in your book. You follow this one. You go through the answer from your book. Even though if you do not understand, you will tell me. Let me start the page number 274 of illustration 3. Passbook of Kailash. Shows a credit balance of rupees 30,000 on 30th 3/2000, 31st 3/2015. That means you are doing BRS on 31st 3/2015. The date is most important. Which does not agree with the bank balance as per each cash book. So balance is given the passbook balance and cash book balance का साथ tally नहीं हुआ. क्यों? Some of the transaction is recorded in cash book, not recorded in passbook, or maybe some of the transaction is recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. Due to that, the one book passbook is giving 30,000 balance. And cash book, how much is given, that is not mentioned, but it is said it is not agree, means it is maybe less than 30,000 or more than 30,000. Following information is obtained by the comparing the cash book and passbook. We compare due to what for the both the balance are not tallying. It is not that due to mistake of one. It may be there are so many mistakes. Sometimes it may happen that bank people has done or maybe you have done. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement BRS of Kailash from these informations. Number 1. So we have to write it first. The bank balance as per passbook. Passbook balance is given. Now question if it is coming, where shall I write? It is will write in the debit column or will write in the credit column. It is given passbook of Kailash shows a credit balance of rupees 30,000. So it is credit balance. If the word credit is not mentioned, then also if it is given bank balance as per passbook, then also it is credit column. Debit credit, if it is not mentioned, if it is given only bank balance as per passbook, then credit column. If it is given bank balance as per cash book, then debit column. But if it is given bank balance as per passbook, debit balance or overdraft, then debit column. That you keep in mind. Similarly, bank balance as per cash book, overdraft, normal, that you keep in mind. Passbook normal means credit, cash book normal means debit. Once again, passbook normal means credit balance and cash book normal means debit balance. Now, overdraft होगा तो reverse हो जाएगा. First one. After reading the question, there are 10 points are there. After reading the question, you will take decision where it is recorded, where it is not recorded. मतलब which book is debited, which book is not credited. That you try to understand. Check of rupees 10,000 was drawn. मतलब you have given a check and recorded in the cash book. Once you have given the check and if it is recorded, obviously you recorded in the cash book credit sides. It will not be mentioned where it will be recorded or where you recorded. Check drawn means check has given, and check has given means you will write in your cash book first and you wrote in the cash book credit side. But by mistake it was not handed over to a creditors. अब जिसको केस चेक देना था वो चेक देने में हमने भूल किया, मतलब we have not given the check but the check is found out from the drawer of a table. आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद नेट समरी क्या हुआ दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट हैपेंड ड्यू टू दैट. चेक आपने इशू किया, व्हेन यू हैव इशूड अ चेक दैट टाइम यू रोट इन द इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज रिटन बाय यू इन ए बिजनेसमैन इन द कैश बुक क्रेडिट कॉलम. वो लिखा नहीं है बट चेक इशू किया मतलब आप तो आपका फर्स्ट यू विल राइट इन द कैश बुक क्रेडिट कॉलम और वो चेक बैंक में जमा होगा तो बैंक को डेबिट करना था, लेकिन चेक इट वाज नॉट गिवन टू हिम टू whom it has to be given. That means it was not debited by the bank. It is credited but not debited. So we have to write in the debit column. Number 1, here you have to write check issued but not presented for payment. Meaning are same. Check issued but not presented for payment, or check issued it is credited but not debited in the passbook. That sentence also you can write. It is not that what I wrote you have to write, but meaning should be same. What I wrote and what you write, the sentence का मीनिंग सेम होना चाहिए. एक बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, दूसरे बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, वो मेन थिंग यू हैव टू नो. नेक्स्ट इज कमिंग नंबर 2. चेक ऑन रुपीज 30,000 इच बैंक. इच बैंक मतलब इट इज डिपोजिटेड इन द बैंक. इज डिपोजिटेड और इच बैंक मतलब इट इज डिपोजिटेड इन द बैंक ऑन 28 March 15 फॉर विच ए क्रेडिट इज गिवन बाय द बैंक ऑन 1/4. देखो दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो गया. A check of rupees 30,000 is bank. Who deposited? You deposited. When you deposited, you wrote in your cash book in debit column. I told debit column if you write it is increasing. If you deposit the check into the bank, your bank balance is increasing. A check of rupees 30,000 is bank on 28/3/15 for which a credit is given by the bank. मतलब credit is given by the bank means bank has credited 1/4. दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो गया, लेकिन मेरा को देखना है 31 मार्च तक कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ, कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. 31 मार्च का बाद रिकॉर्ड हुआ मतलब रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ सोच लेना है. दैट मीन्स इट इज डेबिटेड इन द कैश बुक बट नॉट क्रेडिटेड. इज इट करेक्ट? इट इज डेबिटेड इन द पासबुक बट नॉट credited. So I will write in the credit column. What will write? Check deposited. Check deposited but not credited by bank. But not credited means credit किया. Next is coming number 3. bank has paid 20,000 for insurance premium. देखो, if I read up to this, you should understand it is recorded by the bank first. Bank has paid rupees 20,000 for insurance premium for which Kailash received the information on 2nd April. Bank has paid means I have given the instruction to the bank that insurance premium amount you will pay, but maybe I have forgotten, or maybe bank paid. That time bank did not say which date bank has paid. Bank told, but you came to know on 2nd April. तो 31 मार्च तक एक बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ, दूसरा बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ? पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ. किसने रिकॉर्ड किया? बैंक. बैंक रिकॉर्ड किया ना. बैंक where it has written debit column or in credit column, because balance is decreasing, expense bank is paid on behalf of us, मतलब our balance is decreasing. Obviously bank wrote passbook debit column. That will not be given in directly here. That you have to give the idea. You have to apply your knowledge that bank has written expense means bank has written bank column, passbook debit column. मतलब it is debited but not credited. So you have to write credit column. How much? 20,000. You have to write it here. Insurance premium is paid by bank but not recorded in cash book. This is number 3. What is 4? 30,000 is deposited by a customer directly to the bank, which is unrecorded in the cash book. Read the question and tell me where, who has recorded and who has not recorded. Where it is debited, not credited, or where it is credited but not debited. 30,000 is deposited by a customer directly to the bank. You do not know. One customer has deposited 30,000 to our bank. Bank already it was credited but I do not know what I had to debit, but I did not know that it has to be debited. So how much? 4,000. You have to write it there. 4,000. Sorry, 30,000. No? 4 1 is 30,000. So it is right. Directly deposited by customers in bank but no entry was made in cash book. Number 5. Interest of rupees 1,000 is credited in the passbook. Credited in the passbook बोल दिया तो मेरे लिए इजी हो गया. Which remains unrecorded in the cash book, मतलब ये डेबिट नहीं हुआ. तो this is 1,000 आप डेबिट कर दो. Interest amount is not debited in the cash book. Number 6. Check of rupees 60,000 which was deposited into the bank is dishonored and this information is received on 2nd April 2015. Check of rupees 60,000 which was deposited. आपने जब डिपोजिट किया था check of rupees 60,000, when you deposited that time you debited bank credited. Now dishonored means it became reverse. मतलब when bank has gone to collect the money from that person, he refused to pay, or there may be some mistakes were there in the check, so bank did not get the money, and due to that bank 1 second it is debited. You have to credit now. This is the meaning of that. Check out rupees 60,000 which was deposited. Which was deposited means when it is deposited it was recorded in the both the books. मतलब I debited, मतलब businessman debited, bank credited. Clear हो गया था. But when it became dishonored, then bank did not go to fight. Bank you are having the account in the bank debited, you have to credit it. This is 6 inch credit of rupees 60,000. Check dishonored but not recorded in the cash book. Number 7. Check out rupees 10,000 are issued, but out of this check out rupees 8,000 only are presented for payment till 31st. See that how much amount it is clear, how much amount it is not clear, means how much amount it is recorded in both the books, how much amount is not recorded in both the books, that you have to understand. It is given it here. Number 7. 10,000 का चेक इशू किया था. When you have issued this check of rupees 10,000, you wrote in your cash book credit column. Check of rupees 10,000 are issued, but out of this check of rupees 8,000 only are presented for payment till 31st/3/15. 31st/3/15 तक 10,000 का अंदर 8,000 का चेक क्लियर हो गया, मतलब 8,000 का चेक दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो चुका. This is the meaning of that. So I don't have any problem for 8,000 because 8,000 is recorded in both the books in correct time. Means up to 31st March it was recorded. You think that 10,000 checks, that is 2 checks are there, one is 2,000 and other is 8,000. 8,000 का दोनों बुक में राइट टाइम पे रिकॉर्ड हो गया, लेकिन 2,000 it is deposited, I think so. This is 7. This is 7. 7 means check out issued. Issued मतलब it is credited, but it is not debited. How much? You have right here 2,000 only, not 8, not 10. Check issued but not presented for payment. Number 8. Check of rupees 50,000 are deposited in the bank, but out of this bank has given a credit only for only rupees 30,000 up to 31st/3/15. 50,000 चेक जमा किया, मतलब 50,000 was debited in the cash book, but bank credited only 30,000, मतलब bank credit नहीं किया 20,000. So you have to credit 20,000. Check deposited but not credited in the passbook. Number 9. 9 is given a check out which 8,000 was deposited in the bank but was left undeposited in the cash book. देखो कैसे हुआ, बैंक में डिपोजिट हो गया और आपने कैश बुक भी रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए भूल गया, तो डिपोजिट हो गया मतलब बैंक क्या करेगा, बैंक क्रेडिट कर देगा, तो आपने डेबिट नहीं किया. यू हैव टू मेक इट डेबिट ऑफ रुपीज 8,000. हाउ ए चेक ऑफ रुपीज 8,000 वाज डिपोजिटेड इन द बैंक बट वाज लेफ्ट अंडर इन द कैश बुक. चेक डिपोजिटेड बट नॉट recorded in the cash book. Cash book में record नहीं हुआ. And the last one, the bank charges and commissions. Bank charges and commission of rupees 2,000 was debited by the bank in the passbook of Kailash for which no entry was passed in the. तो बैंक डेबिट किया तो हमको क्रेडिट करना है. We have to credit. Bank commissions or bank charges and commissions is debited in the passbook but not recorded in cash book. This is RE means recorded. Thus all these things are over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30, 20, 60, 30, 20, 60, 22 and 10, 30, 10, 30, 1, 2, 8. Address method जो है ना, address method and this method are same only. The amount first it was added with this amount, for that this is add and this column it is minus. For that we are telling it is address method. But I did not give preference to you to do the address method. Easiest method is this one, that you try to do it. If you add, you will get 1,62,000. This side's total 1,62,000. Here you write 1,62,000. And in balance you write, this is passbook balance. So we write here cash book balance. Bank balance as per cash book. 30, 30, 60, 80, 80 plus 60, 140, 140, 140, 162. Correct. 162 minus 40, 40, 41, 43, 43 plus 8 is equal to 51. 43 plus 8. So it comes 1, this is 1,11,000 I think so. 1,11,000. Correct. 1,11,000. This is your answer. Bank balance as per cash book, debit. Very easy. Nothing is given. Just you have to go through it. Illustration 3 I have done on the board. Illustration 2 you will do at your home. Illustration 4 also you will do at your home. And 5, once again I am doing that 5-1, yes. Illustration 5 of page number 278, that is the answer for which I have done. Illustration 5 is the answer for illustration 3, but illustration, try to understand, illustration 3 they have done the address method, and illustration 5 they have done the debit credit method. Both are same. Now one more hard type of illustration, let me explain. There are so many points are there. I am sure if you are understanding this other illustration, when you will do the exercise sum, you will not have that much problems. So let us follow the page number 278 of illustration 6. Here I will not go in details. I will not write the things whatever you have to write in the particular columns, but where the amount will go in the debit or credit, that I am explaining. From there you will understand, and inside in the particular column what you have to write, that you will write it. Bank balance as per the cash book of Rucha on 28/2/15 was rupees 10,000 does not tally with the bank balance as per passbook. Prepare a cash book of Rucha from the following informations. Bank reconciliation statement. So bank balance as per cash book is given. So we have write bank balance as per cash book, it is given 10,000. Bank balance as per cash book of rupees 10,000. Debit balance. Next one, which does not tally with the bank balance as per the passbook. Prepare a cash book of Rucha from the following information. The number 1, check out rupees 10,000 was deposited with the bank. It is debited in the cash book. Out of which check out rupees 4,000 are credited in the bank till 28/2. 6,000 was not credited. So number 1, 6,000 credited. Remaining you will do. What you write? Check is deposited in the bank but not credited by the bank. Or you can write in your own language. Check out rupees 4,000 is issued and recorded in the cash book, means it is credited. but it is forgotten to be given to the customer. मतलब it is credited in the cash book but not debited. So you have to write in debit column. How much? 4,000. Number 3. Insurance premium of rupees 12,000 is paid by the bank, which is not recorded in the cash book. Paid by the bank means it is debited, but it is not credited. How much? 12,000. It is debited in the cash passbook, but not credited in the cash book. Number 4. Customer has deposited directly 20,000 in Rucha's account, which is known to Rucha on 1st March. 1st March तक देखना नहीं, हमको देखना है 28 February. The customer directly deposited means it is credited but not debited. Number 4. How much? 20,000. It is credited in the passbook but not debited in the cash book. Bank charges 100 recorded in the bank, which is recorded twice in the cash book by mistake. This is something new that you have to understand. What is called 5? 5 is telling bank charges rupees 100 recorded by the bank. Bank charges of rupees 100 recorded by the bank. Recorded by the bank is recorded twice in the cash book by mistake. Bank charge, bank कहाँ लिखा? Bank charge as written by the bank in debit. I have to write in the credit, but I wrote in the credit to the cash book, but it is credited twice. It is recorded twice in the cash book by mistake. Cash book में 2 बार रिकॉर्ड हो गया, मतलब 2 बार रिकॉर्ड हुआ, मतलब एक बार तो रिकॉर्ड होना ही था कैश बुक में क्रेडिट में, तो और एक बार क्रेडिट हो गया, तो और एक बार डेबिट कर देना है, which is debit not, it is credited but not debited. पासबुक में एक बार डेबिट हुआ, कैश बुक में 2 बार क्रेडिट हो गया. एक बार तो क्रेडिट होना ही था, लेकिन और एक बार जो क्रेडिट हो गया उसका लिए और एक बार मेरे को पासबुक में डेबिट करना है. नंबर 6. चेक of rupees 6,000 deposited with the bank on 27 तारीख is dishonored. This information is received by Rucha on 3 तारीख. चेक और रुपीज 6,000 डिपोजिट हो गया, मतलब डेबिट हो गया, क्रेडिट हो गया, बट डिजनर हो गया, मतलब अगेन बैंक डेबिटेड बट इट वाज नॉट क्रेडिटेड, तो 6 विल बी credited. How much? I think 6,000. 7. Check of rupees 8,000 are issued, out of which check of rupees 2,000 are presented in the bank. बैंक में प्रेजेंट हुआ 2,000 का चेक, बाकी 4,000 का चेक ठीक टाइम पे प्रेजेंट हो गया. That means check of rupees 8,000 are issued. That when it is issued, it was recorded in the cash book credit column. It should be recorded in the passbook debit column. But out of which check of rupees 2,000 was presented in the bank on 1st March. 1st March में जो प्रेजेंट हुआ मतलब प्रेजेंट नहीं हुआ, तो it was credited but not debited. You have to write in the debit column. How much? 2,000. Check 12,000. A check of rupees 4,000 deposited which is not recorded in the cash book. This check is not collected by the bank till 28/2/2015. 8 is as the transaction number 8 is not recorded in the cash book and passbook and till 28/2, and it will not be recorded in the bank reconciliation statement. Very good questions came. Very good questions. Very important thing. मैंने आपको देखना है कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ, कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ट्रांजैक्शंस मेड बट इट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक बाय द ट्रेडर्स, इवन नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द पासबुक बाय द बैंक पीपल, बट ट्रांजैक्शन मेड. ऐसे भी हो सकता है दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ और दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ. if दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ तो ये BRS में नहीं आएगा, और दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो गया तो भी BRS में नहीं आएगा. एक बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ, दूसरा बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ तो BRS में आएगा. ये चेक ऑफ रुपीज 4,000 डिपोजिटेड व्हिच इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक. डिपोजिट किया तो ट्रेडर्स शुड राइट इन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक, बट ट्रेडर्स लिखा नहीं. एंड द चेक इज नॉट कलेक्टेड बाय द बैंक, मतलब नॉट कलेक्टेड बाय द बैंक मतलब बैंक आल्सो नॉट क्रेडिटेड. So either neither debited in the cash book nor credited in the passbook. So here you have to write here no entry. And here you have to put dash. And now 9. Bank has credited rupees 200 for bank interest and debited rupees 100 for bank charges in the passbook. बैंक क्रेडिट किया तो हमको डेबिट कर देना है, और बैंक डेबिट किया तो हमको क्रेडिट कर देना है। और ऐसे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ लिखो बाद में 9, यहाँ दूसरी बार 9 लिखो तो भी चलेगा। समझ आ गया? बैंक क्रेडिट किया, हम डेबिट नहीं किया, डेबिट कर दिया, और बैंक डेबिट किया, हमने क्रेडिट नहीं किया तो क्रेडिट कर दिया। रिसिप्ट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक इज ओवरकास्ट बाय ₹4000। कैश बुक का रिसिप्ट साइड कौन सा है? डेबिट साइड है। कैश बुक का पेमेंट साइड इज क्रेडिट साइड। रिसिप्ट साइड ऑफ द कैश बुक इज ओवरकास्ट। ओवरकास्ट मतलब इट वाज मोर बाय 4000। तो कैश बुक, इसका मतलब कैश बुक डेबिट में 4000 बढ़ गया, तो हमको क्या करना है? 4000 क्रेडिट कर देना है। क्रेडिट में पासबुक और क्रेडिट में भी 4000। एक बार आपने मिस्टेक किया तो बैंक को भी मिस्टेक करना था, तो करेक्ट होगा। क्वेश्चन में कम फ्रॉम योर माइंड, इट इज अ मिस्टेक, एक्चुअली मिस्टेक ऑनली। कैश बुक में रिसीप्ट साइड बढ़ गया, मतलब कैश बुक में डेबिट ज्यादा हो गया तो क्रेडिट में लिख दो, तो मैंने क्रेडिट में लिख दिया तो इक्वल हो गया। बिल रिसीवेबल ऑफ ₹5000 डिस्काउंटेड विद द बैंक इज dishonored on 26/2/15 and bank has debited the same along with the loading charge of ₹50. The entry for dishonor of the bill receivable is not made in the cash book till 28/2/2015. Here you see that bills amount it was collected by the bank and it was credited just like the check only, and when it became dishonor, that time bank it is debited, you should credit. But if noting charge is given, noting charge, what is this? I will go in details afterwards. If noting charge is given, the amount of noting charge you add with the bill, and that much amount you write in the credit column, 5050. Because it is debited but not credited. 11 number, na? And 12. Bills payable up to ₹3000 matching after 1 month or maturity after 1 month was retained in the bank under the debit of ₹100 or 28/2/15, which is not recorded in the cash book. Cash book में record नहीं हुआ, but it is recorded in the passbook. How much? To 3000 that amount, and that is bills 3000 minus 100 will come, no? 3000 minus 100. Bill का amount था 3000, but rebate किया 100. So your here amount will come 2900, and it is recorded and but not recorded in the another book. So amount will come 3000 minus 100 is equal to 2900. Here it will not add, it will deduct, because after 1 month it is returned and the bank under the rebate. Bank rebate किया and it was debited in the bank but not credited. So which is not recorded in the cash book means it is debited by the bank but not credited in the cash book. This is 612,6, 100, 4,000, 5050, 2,900, 250 के आंसर, 10,000, 4,000, 20,000, 100, 2,000, बस you will find out the total and you will find out the balance. Here 36,300 is coming, 36,300, here also 36,300. The answer here I am writing, that will come 250. And this is cash book means the answer is passbook. Okay. So we write bank balance as per passbook date. You will find out that how many transactions are given. Out of the maximum transactions you will be able to do. 1 or 2 may be the new. That it will make practice. I think that also will not have any problems. Make practice 1 or twice, and once it is not enough for you, make practice more than that times. So you will understand. Even though if you have any doubt, you can tell me. In next video, I will teach you some of the questions from your exercise. Okay, bye, all the best.